Owen's swimming. It's so windy. This morning's coffee, Juan Valdez. Good morning, everyone. Today's gonna be a pretty slow day. It is Saturday, so it's the weekend for us. It's Owen's days off. Today we are just gonna be going to the pool this morning, and we're just gonna be hanging out at the house today. It's really just a slow day. We might later on this evening go do something in Death Valley, because if you guys don't know, we are currently living in Death Valley, which is the hottest place on earth, which is crazy, but yeah. We are going to the pool. It's super cloudy this morning. Still like 65 out, so at least the pool water's warm. If you don't know, the pool here, it's like spring water, so it's like 80, what is it, 85 all year round. You hear the bird. Oh, and there's only one person at the pool so far. We're going to one of the little huts. Oh, look at the flowers. Me running to the flowers. You want to race? Oh, here at the bottom of the pool. We're leaving the pool. It's cold. My ears are hurting. It's not that cold. It's just super cloudy, and that's what makes it cold. We're about to go see what's for breakfast, so because it's 9. We're leaving breakfast. He's got a bundle of bananas, a cup of cake. Almost said a cake a cup. There we are. The mountains are pretty. All right, we came to the camper. We got ice creams. We're just gonna go sit by the fountain. Enjoy the warm weather, because I'd rather croak than sit in this camper all day. We have the awning out today because it's 80. It's gonna be 85 today. He's always unprepared. Oh, there's coins in it. I didn't know people did that. I'm gonna be covered in this. It all broke apart. Almost dropped it.
I just start eating it.
It's like 85 out. It feels so good. We are heading back to the camper because I'm hungry. I think we might even eat lunch at the buffet here. I don't know. Lunchtime. These birds are loud. Food at the buffet was a flop, so we're gonna just go home and make some slop. We're just gonna go home and make our own food. Alright, I had to come to the bathroom. Hopefully y'all can hear me over our fans and our AC, but Owen made us some eggplant parmesan with some bow tie pasta for lunch. It is so good. I'm so excited to try it. We still gotta make our plates. It's like a shit show. It's so loud in here because of the air. Alright, we are gonna do a little trip to town to Pahrump. We have to get groceries and a couple of things. We also are gonna pay our AT&T bill, and then we're gonna switch phone companies because I'm tired of paying $1 million for service we barely use, you know? Alright, we're leaving to head to town. Oh shit. I forgot. Oh yeah, you gotta get the water. He's turning off the water and propane. Because you don't want your camper to flood while you're away. We got our milk. Owen got chocolate almond milk we're gonna try. Oh, my screen's dirty, but we're trying the chalky milk. It's almond milk. We found it at Kroger's. It's called Smith's, but it's Kroger's.
It's gotten like scary better. I think you can taste the almond in it, but
Oh yeah, it's really good. It tastes like a inch or something. Get it back home.
barely.
Oh gosh, I'm sorry, buddy. Ew,
And then you got fucking snotted on. Like, what thing was this?
I'm gonna pee, you know. Where are her legs? 10 out of 10 loaf. Hi, buddy.
Be a fucking 9.5.
Morning. We forgot to end the vlog last night. I'm so sorry. We're terrible at doing that. But today is a new day. It's Sunday. It's Owen's day off. Tomorrow he goes back to work. What do you guys think? They want fed, the cats do. We're gonna make coffee and go to the pool because they're shutting down the pool in a couple days for like renovation. So we're really trying to get all the days we can at the pool. Watching Scooby-Doo. Owen's getting his coffee ready, and then we're gonna go swim even though it's dust storming. We don't have that many days left with the pool being open. Like literally, I think we have two or 3 days. So we're gonna go swim while we can, even though it's really windy. The wind though, look at all that dust. That is not clouds, that's dust. And we're like going swimming. Oh, it's so windy. Oh, dust in my eyes. Oh, it's so bad.
80 pointers like a Kobe bang. Peekaboo, 7-6 tools to make a bang. Peekaboo, popping out, you better smell my name.
Oh my. And we're going swimming. Look at them.
They might have it shut off.
I know. But already, we're gonna jump in anyway. It's so windy. We're done swimming.
They got kicked out.
I'm screaming, Owen. We did get kicked out because, I mean, it's windy.
I guess you can't swim in 50-mile-an-hour wind.
No, in the pool. Yeah, the pool was tragic looking. It had so much sand in it. We're probably gonna add a couple clips.
2 chairs, 4 towels.
Yeah, it was crazy. My ears hurt. It reminded me of like the movie Aquamarine when the storm happens at the beginning of the movie. You know, the pool's super gross. If you know, you know. But that was the vibes. Me and Owen just got out of the shower. We're gonna go and get some lunch at the employee area here. Hopefully it's good. We might, it just depends what they're having. We're gonna try. So the buffet was tragic, so we just got some sandwiches and
It's always fucking tragic.
oranges. We're having a sandwich. I'm putting mayonnaise and mustard on it because it comes plain. And that's what we're doing for lunch. Something super simple. We were sitting here and all the electric kicked off. The wind must have blew it out. I'm eating my ice cream. My like third for the day. Me and Owen have to go to town to switch our phone carriers over. We had to bring the Wi-Fi, so Owen is loading up the Wi-Fi now. We're in the car. Wi-Fi is set up. We're good to go. I'm gonna go do a load of laundry. We just got back home. We got our phone services fixed. Everything's figured out. But yeah, I gotta do a load of laundry. Alright, we're having chicken sausage, peppers, and potatoes with rice. It's loud over here for dinner. Thanks to Owen. We are now at the employee dining. Owen made a root beer float. We're in bed. I need to like in the vlog, and I'm terrible at doing that, so but good night. Thanks for watching our vlog. Don't forget to subscribe.